Nanoshine Group headquarters in Taipei has completed the development of a new generation of protective coatings. Introducing Ceramic Pro Ion, a new step in the development of the protective coatings industry. Thanks to ion exchange technology, which is used in the production of ultra-durable screens for modern smartphones, Ceramic Pro Ion is superior to 9H technology. The new product has become incredibly durable, which is clearly demonstrated by laboratory tests. The chemical resistance is amazing and takes confidence in protection to a new level. Each layer of ion can be compared to 2 complete layers of 9H. Therefore, installing top-class protection will require much less effort and time. This will significantly increase the efficiency of your business, and you'll be able to increase the throughput of your workshops and hence the profit. Our new product is designed specifically for the Elite Detail USA division, which operates to the highest standards in the detailing industry in the world.